Hey everyone, Velour here. Today I'll show you how to play Please Do Not in Roblox. Let's go to the server and select. See this arrow pointing to an empty stand? Right? Press E to claim the stand. It's ours now. You can customize it by holding E and edit its appearance. You can add text, change fonts and colors too. Next, we'll add our Game Pass product. Click plus, then yes, and copy this link. Paste it in your browser to create your pass. Here you can change the Game Pass cover. Add a title and description. Click Create Pass. Now you can set its price. Back in Roblox, click plus to select it for Robux donations. That's all, folks. This was Velour. Like and subscribe. See ya!